how to fix this website or this site can't be reached on your Chrome browser easily and fast. So first thing you want to do, guys, is very simple. Go to this three dots here in the top and then click on settings. Now click here on this system option. Disable this option here and disable this option too. After that, go back and click on those three vertical dots again. Click on more tools, click on clear browsing data, and now here you want to choose all time and make sure to check those three options and click on clear data and restart your PC. Don't forget to like, subscribe.